What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing an 8-minute upper body workout. This workout's gonna be a little bit different because I'm going to be taking you guys through each exercise one by one and we're gonna be doing it together. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel for all of my weekly workouts, as well as download my app, Demi Bagby Fit, to come train with me all the time. So let's get started. All right guys, grab some space on your floor. We're gonna be doing 45 seconds for each exercise, and the first exercise is gonna be plank rotation. So let's get ready, and 3, 2, 1. You're gonna be putting your arms up like so, and you're gonna be switching, making sure to continue to engage your core the whole time, making sure that your butt doesn't come up. You're gonna keep it nice and tucked in. Up, a little bit of a hold at the top, and switch. Yeah, keep breathing guys, you got this. Deep breaths, really engaging that core, keeping that little tushy tucked down. Deep breaths, deep breaths. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we're gonna be doing push-up sit-backs. So you're gonna hit your push-up position, push-up position, and you're gonna drop down here. We're gonna continue to do that for 45 seconds. Take your time. If you have difficulty doing your push-ups, you can do it on your knees. Bring your legs up and sit back. Drop back down on your knees, push up, and sit back. So back up into your push-up and sit back. Deep breaths here. Really pushing through, feeling that deep stretch all the way down. Last rep. Nice. Good job, guys. Now we're gonna be doing bent over flies. You're gonna stand on your feet, bend over like so, arms back with a little bit of squeeze at the top. It's a great back workout. Deep breaths. Nice squeeze at the top. Got this. How am I doing? I've never done this whole talking and working out thing before. I hope it's okay. Deep breaths. And 3, 2, 1. Next, we're gonna be doing high-low push-up holds. So, staying in your push-up position like so, we're gonna hold for 10 seconds. Then we're gonna drop down to a low push-up. Holding, 3, 2, 1. Down. Keep holding, make sure that your chest is not touching the floor. And back up. Keep holding. Ooh, I definitely feel the burn on this one. Deep breaths, keep that butt down, drop back down. Make sure to keep everything up off the floor. And back up. And next exercise, we're gonna be doing Superman lifts. Whew, definitely felt that one. You're gonna drop here, lift up your arms and your legs, and drop back down. A little bit of hold at the top. It's really engaging all of your little muscles in there that you never really work. Take some big deep breaths here. Hope you guys are feeling the burn, because I definitely am. Last rep. And down. Next, we're gonna be doing walkouts. So to your feet like so. We're gonna walk into a push-up position here, and then walk back. Really feeling that hammy stretch too. Walking out, hitting that nice position, tucking in that booty, coming back up. I'm really having a hard time saying the word position today. I'm not sure why. Don't judge me. Deep breaths here. Really hitting each position. Deep breaths. Keep going. Keep going. Kind of switching off hands as you make it through. Last rep. Nice. Next, we're gonna be doing shoulder taps. So back to your push-up position like so. Just touching those shoulders. Definitely feeling it in my shoulders right now. Nice and slow and controlled. Really pushing through your shoulders. Don't let yourself sag. Really push up here. Feeling that burn. Nice. Keep going. If you need a rest, it's okay. You can sit back, shake out those arms, and get straight back into it. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we're gonna be doing side plank push-ups. This movement looks a little bit weird, but it's a great workout. This is really gonna help engage those triceps. Here, I'll lay like this so you guys can see a little bit better maybe. There we go. Definitely a weird looking movement, but I feel it. Really pushing up at the top as much as you can and switch sides. Same thing, push up, back down. Really engaging that tricep. Nice, slow and controlled. Nice. Next, we're moving on to front and side raises. So back into that push-up position. You're literally just gonna bring your arm up, up, out, and out. Really working your shoulders here, all your little arm muscles, getting the nice toned upper body. There you go, keep going. Deep breaths. Almost there, guys. Keep pushing. Out, out, up, up. Whew, my triceps are burning. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Next, we're gonna be doing outside, inside push-ups. So same push-up position here. You're gonna do a close grip push-up and up and bring your arms out a little bit and do a little bit wider of a push-up. I'm sure your arms are burning right now, so don't be intimidated. You can definitely use your knees. Same position, keep going. Close and wide. Back to close. Deep breaths, guys, and wide. There you go. If you can, try to do it on your feet. Hit a few reps on those feet. There you go. And wide. We're almost there. Almost to the last exercise. Last rep. Push down, back up. Whew. Take a few deep breaths here, guys. Lastly, we're gonna be doing low plank leans. So down onto your elbows in your low plank position. Literally use your toes, lean forward, lean back. I know your arms are feeling it because mine definitely are. Having this really nice, consistent time under tension is really gonna help you build some nice toned arms using only your body weight. That's why you just gotta keep continuously going. Almost there, guys. Nice leans, really pushing through. Last movement in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Solid 8 minutes there, guys. Definitely feeling it. I'm literally, my delts, my shoulders, my triceps, my biceps, I'm feeling it all, and I hope you guys are too. So just make sure that whether these times are too difficult or too easy for you, you can always change it up. So if those are too hard, you can set that time back a little bit. And if you really want to be a savage, you can repeat this whole thing and do 16-minute workouts. So whatever you choose, just keep crushing it, keep doing your best every single day, and I will see you next week.